So friends, this is Python Scope channel. You have most welcome this Python Scope channel and write down a question, write a program, print, connect your name 5 times. Write a program, print your name, yeah, anything which is Microsoft 5 times, yeah, Amazon 5 times. So friends, let's start. I is equal to one. What? One. And then while I is less than equal to 5. I is less than equal to 5. Listen to me carefully, friends, and understand. Print, print, Amazon, yeah, anything, Amazon. I is equal to I plus 1. So, friends, only 4 line coding. I have gapping to clear. So, friends, only 4 line coding and get output this, yeah, Amazon 5 times in looping method. It is a looping method. So friends, thanks for watching and hit the like button.